Hey class, my name is Emily Francis. The first question for the video is identify three assets that you bring to the classroom. So the first asset I'm going to talk about is empathy. I strongly believe I am empathetic in the right moments. It is an emotional process that makes things better to understand and help others solve their problems. So I'm empathetic with my classmates, I'm empathetic in the workplace, I'm empathetic with my kids. So it's really good to have that. The second one that asset that I'm going to talk about is active listening, the ability to listen carefully. I'm always listening, I'm always asking questions, I'm always wondering what's the right answer, if something's wrong. I feel active listening opens a lot of doors, especially in the classroom. And my third is self awareness. I receive a lot of feedback on performance from my clients. I'm an ABA tutor and my supervisors, but I feel I have my own self awareness and I'm always giving myself the correct credit, and I believe everyone should. So, all right. Anyways, I'm a stay-at-home mom. I have two kids. My husband is currently overseas. My favorite movie is The Lion King, and I enjoy hiking, antique shopping, watching The Office with my husband when he's actually home. I plan to become a counselor when I get my social work degree. I want to become a licensed clinical social worker and be a marriage and family counselor for military members and their families. So, anyways, good luck with the class, you guys. Have a good next 7 weeks.